excavator, bulldozer, digger, excavator, roller, crane, then quack, silver quack.
What does they all do?
Dig, plus, dig, flattings, craning, putting inside with the excavator, and put concrete.
Concrete? To mix the concrete?
Hot!
Okay, why do we need concrete?
Because people will get stuck.
People will get stuck?
Yes, like before.
Why we use excavator?
Because dig.
To dig?
Let's play now.
What can we make from all these toys? What can you build?
A tower.
A tower and?
With the hole to go down.
Yes, and what else can you make from all these vehicles?
House.
Yes, and something else?
A kitchen house.
Yes. Can you make a bridge with it?
And what else?
You tell me.
A lamp. They're not good at building lamp, don't you, builder?
Do you want to tell something else about them? Did you see bulldozer somewhere else?
Yes, but I saw silver quack, then quack, roller, excavator, digger, bulldozer, and another excavator.
Okay.
I informed that I had 2 excavators.
Okay.
Pink, pace.
Now you can say thank you and bye-bye to everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone. Now I can